Parang may naalala ako. Ikaw na. Bitin mo.
That's how the students of Mr. Mati lecture. For Ida, she is perfect. But for the other students, oh, a very nerd and old-fashioned. The next morning,
I am so excited for today. I am expecting a wonderful recitation.
in the bell rang,
Good morning, class. This is Mr. Lai Bright.
yes,
Can you enumerate the different styles of education? Yes, Kathy. The silent Another one. The silent of the city revolution. Yes,
from the silent forward. Yes, silent forward. The word
Another one was that. The silent of the city
Manuel's uncle had been a town character. As Manuel is saying his experience, Mr. Monte, a lonely person, was thinking of her own father's death. Even Ida did not notice the film of tears in her teacher's eyes, for this young girl is understanding, already the point.
This description is so vivid. Yes, Ida. The silence is automatic. What does that mean? Well, everyone avoided and did. They were not hot sickness possibly. They were just that's true.
Connect. And as everybody turned to stare her, suddenly the class was aware that Ferdinando was absent. Ferdinando was the class poet. He knew the poets and loved them. He himself wrote a kind of rivers that other listening read. It was rumored, though not quite openly, that he loved Ida in his own quite different way. And the rumor persisted.